All right, so today we're going to look at how to use Google Slides and how to type on it for our activity about nuclear decay equations. So for the equations, we're going to have to use superscript, which is like an exponent, and subscript when writing our equations. So to do so, we'll use control comma and control period. So right now it's a little hard to read what this says. So what I'm going to do on the top is go to zoom. You can either click on the magnifying glass and zoom in, or you can tell it what you want it to be at. So if I want a 50% zoom, it'll put me here. If I want 100% zoom, it brings me even closer. So I'm first going to click on my box. And I'm going to say, okay, here is this side. I have potassium 42. Make sure you have your periodic table handy. Here's potassium. We can see that that was an isotope. Potassium on the table is 39. So we want to have the masses equal and the number of protons or atomic number equal also on the bottom. So first, let's go back to the first page. It says your final answer in the box should be like, have the mass first, then have the atomic number, and then have the element symbol. So we're going to go ahead and see. So mass first, 42 and 0. So there will be no change. So what I'm first going to do when I click on it, so control period, I am going to put 42. To get out of that, I'm going to hit control period again. Now I need to find out what the atomic number is going to be. So 19, if there's a -1, and I need that side to equal 19 also, I'm going to have to add 1. So I'm going to have 20 on this side because that negative is going to cancel out the 20 to make it equal to 19. So control comma, 20. And then when I'm done with that and I want it to get back to regular text, control comma again. I'm going to go look for 20 on the periodic table. So my element that it's going to become is calcium. So I'm going to go back and put calcium. And that's it. When you're all done, you'll move on to the next one. If there is a little box here that you need to type in, these are going to just be the atomic numbers, and there are only 2 of them on this chart that you will have to do.